What is up, everybody? Right before this video starts, I just wanted to remind you to turn your push bell notifications on. That way you'll never miss a video and you'll also get the notifications for giveaways. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy this video. What is up, guys? We're going into the Round 1 arcade in Auburn Hills, Michigan to see if we can win any amazing prizes from the Round 1 UFO catchers. They got prize locker, everything's skill-based in here, so it's usually really good. We're with Carson Claws and my dad. Heck to the yes. Here we go. Alrighty, guys, first machine of the Round 1, we're gonna try to win one of these cats.
Cats are incredible.
Cats are the coolest thing. Right there. Oh my God.
Roll them in there.
Yeah, roll them.
First try.
Come on.
Yeah, we can do it. We can get him. Try back a little bit and right there. See what that does. I'm hoping it just kind of clamps his middle. Yeah. Oh, I think we can do it.
Not much.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was too far right.
To the left.
We can get it right there.
Maybe a little too far.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Am I
what?
see it stopped so early.
Oh. No.
Okay, one more. All right. It's $2 a play, so it's kind of. Okay. Okay, we can do it. We can do it. Pick them up and pull them in.
How long is it not very far?
It doesn't go down. You are at, yeah, it's so the goal of this one, guys, is to get that hook on that hook. So you have just a couple chances. You just got to go right there. Oh, right there. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, it's
that
gonna
was
be
a little off, but
yeah. Well, maybe not.
We might be able to do it. I'll try one more.
Yeah.
Right there. So
come on.
Come on.
Oh, maybe.
A little too far back, I think.
Yeah,
it has to.
Alright, we'll try this one. So some of these are losers, some of them are winners. So not everyone is a winner.
Wow.
So I'm gonna try this one.
It looks easier though, yeah.
Oh, I was too far back, I think. Maybe not. So you gotta get it to hit the top of it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it is. It doesn't go down all the way.
So it'll slide, like if you hit it right in the center of the top, it'll slide down and
forward
and then come back around.
It looks kind of easy. It looks somewhat challenging, but I think it's a possibility. There. Yeah, just like that.
That might.
Yep,
yeah.
That's got it. That's got it. Hey, come on, man, get it. Yes, got it. And it is a. It's a loser.
Sorry,
what is it? What does it say?
It says loser.
Try again.
Sorry, try again. All right, we can do it. Does somebody need to come get it though?
I think so.
I wonder which one's a winner though. All right, we'll try to get somebody to take it off. What is this guy?
Let
me get over here.
We're gonna try to pick up the shell. Carson said to try that, and it'll like pick up the whole thing.
Oh, you think so? Probably won't be strong enough.
See if they're winging it or not.
Oh!
Yeah, nudged it.
If you just get it behind
Barely hit it?
Yeah. Wait.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
All right, let's see what it does. Yep.
It works. Holy cow.
Carson, I like that one.
So do you think they don't know it?
That actually does.
I don't know.
Just like that. That looks good.
Yeah, it's behind it.
Yep, got it. Okay, now it should knock him in. All right. Come on, man.
Do something.
Come on.
We might have to knock him in now.
The only problem is
there's a shelf.
he's kind of hung up down here.
Right. Oh shoot, you're right.
Yeah, that's what I mean. His feet are hung up.
I can't go forward now. Shoot, it might be dead.
I don't think it's.
It might be dead. Come on, man.
There you go. You got it. Nice job.
So it worked. Cool. We got the Froggo Rock guy with purple hair.
All right.
We'll try this guy.
Oh,
We'll try him.
perfect.
All right.
Same way. He'll slide right in, maybe.
Please wait. All right, got it.
See what happens.
Let's try it. Right there, and then right there. Okay, maybe. Yeah, that was pretty good. Yep. Oh my God.
He's barely.
We can do it.
Barely hanging in there now.
I'm gonna just do the same thing.
It's got a little loop in the back too.
Yeah, it does. And I don't think
Probably
it
won't hit it.
Yeah. Right there. Right about.
Yeah, just gotta give him a nudge now. Oh, you're gonna try lifting it?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a little. Yep.
I like to push him down.
I think it'll pick it back up though, the shelf.
Yeah,
got it. Nice. Man, that works perfectly.
Sweet.
Holy heck.
Got a new hack.
Got a new hack.
Sweet.
What does it tell you to do there, though?
It says to go for the flush. Lift me up.
Yeah, see, they're trying to throw you off. Carson figured it out.
All right, okay guys, this machine is all up. You gotta pick up the ping pong ball, it's gonna roll down that ramp, and it's gotta land in a red square.
One of the red squares, huh?
Yeah, the one that's red taped off, and then you win the penguin, I guess, in the back.
First you gotta get a ball.
First you gotta pick a ball.
Step number one.
Just like that.
Okay.
Oh, maybe two, that would be cool. I perfectly placed two. Yeah, oh, stay, bud.
There, come on.
I think that's got it.
It should.
Yeah,
Wow.
we got
Here's
one.
the ping pong ball.
Okay, now land in a red. Come on, man.
Red.
Ah, that's your hard one.
Yeah,
That's
he's
right,
hard.
right there. All right. Come on, man. Okay. Ooh, we might have one.
1 out of 2.
We might fall out. Yes, we got one.
Stay in there.
I think it's gonna do it. Yes.
Okay.
All right, stay. Okay,
Nice.
land in a red. Land in a red.
Come on, buddy.
bro.
Oh,
Yes.
you got it.
Yes.
Oh.
Right in the red.
Yes.
Heck yes. What are the chances of that?
Nice.
Holy mother of God.
You know
You
what?
get any one of these.
You
You can get any one of these penguins. Heck
gotta
yeah.
get them over here, so.
So now it's gotta get a worker to open it
They
up.
were
and
right
get
there a
us-
minute ago.
Yeah, they left. All right, we'll get somebody to open it. Heck yeah.
Which one?
Do the blue.
What is it?
I don't know. Thank you, man.
Dinosaur.
Cool. Sumiko Gurashu, I don't know, some Japanese guy. Heck yeah, alrighty guys, we'll see what else we can get. Alrighty guys, let's try this one. Basically, you gotta get that little prong thing stuck in that piece of wood. It pulls the wood out and he just falls in. Their setups are so complicated here. Oh my God.
See, that might do it.
Oh, that would have had
Oh, see?
Yep.
Yeah, it's possible. For
Wow, that
sure.
goes down far.
Holy cow, yeah, that's definitely easy to
Prong sticking out of it should go right into it. You line it up.
do. Oh,
Maybe just a little short.
Gotta be, ooh, that was interesting. Man,
It looks actually pretty easy.
Yeah, it does. That's a decent price too. It's
Yeah, I
pretty
think you can do it.
You just got to make that adjustment.
big. Yep.
Come on.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh my God! What the heck?
What happened there?
You know what I'm thinking? See the string?
Yeah.
What if we line up with the string and it'll pull the string?
It's not a bad
You could
idea.
try that. It's one way to get it loose. Hey, it doesn't have to.
Right, yeah.
Doesn't have to go by the book there, you
Because
know.
it's gonna stay closed.
Right.
Yeah, try that, Trevor. You can get it right
I
in
was
there.
too far. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what to do, though.
Right. I think that'll work.
Yeah, I think it's possible.
I gotta gauge it correctly though. Right there.
You know, line it up correctly.
Yep.
Maybe,
All right,
Yeah, it's gonna do the
behind
string. Yeah.
but it might not do anything there, though.
it. Come on. Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Come on.
Got it,
Yeah.
guys! I did it!
There you go.
I got stuck
Oh.
on
Got
it.
it. You
They
got
gotta
it.
get
You gotta
stuck around the
come get it
string.
for
Yeah,
me.
they'll
Yeah,
come
you
get it.
won.
There you go.
A little too wide
That
for
was
the hole,
amazing.
huh?
Heck yeah. All right, thank you. Yep.
Because the weight of it, once it starts shifting, it just goes.
Right.
Got it last time easy.
Okay. Possibly. It pushed his face in, so that's good. One more. Yeah, I
Okay.
think 1 or 2 more will do it.
This shit's moving better.
Try right there. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Come on, man. Yeah, that's down there far. All right, that might flip him in.
Come on. Pink Yeti.
Yeah,
there we go.
He's amazing. Big
Nice.
Yeti win. Heck of the ass. All right, we're gonna try to go win another.
We love it. We love that.
All right, guys, we're gonna try the same hack. Ooh, this is at a different. Uh-oh. Oh, I think it's gonna do it.
That's it.
No
It's
way.
gonna hit the string.
Come on.
First try.
Come on.
Yeah, we got it. Heck yeah. That was amazing. First try of the day.
Amazing.
We got the other Adventure Time guy. We're gonna wait for him to
Oh,
come
no.
back and we do the
Heck
same thing.
yeah.
Heck yes.
That's
People are-
awesome.
People are going to see this video and see that same thing and know exactly what to do.
Aim for the hook.
This. Aim for the hook.
Okay. Oh, I see what they want. Yeah, I see. We'll just scoop it up and then it'll go. Yeah.
No way.
That looks
Yeah,
good.
that's going to go right in.
Oh my
Yep.
God.
Got it. Yes.
That's it.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, I got a dinosaur.
That's amazing.
Oh, that's freaking funny. Maybe. It might catch it.
Might hook it. Might hook it.
Yeah. Oh.
Ah,
a little
just
bit
missed it.
more forward.
Yep.
Yep, that's got it. Okay, come on. Let's see if it's a winner.
Hopefully it's a winner.
I gotta
Come
get
on
a
now.
whale.
Yes.
Come on.
Congratulations, you win.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Perfect.
We
See
got
you
a
around
giant
Hatfield.
Dude, that's awesome. Yeah, he's coming.
All right, here we go again. Oh, this is so...
I like this a lot.
I love this.
This is my favorite.
This is my favorite part.
Especially when it closes and you pull the whole string.
Adventure time!
Yeah.
Not to that one. You moved it to that one.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Oh, you're too far in front.
Oh, it kind of pushed it down.
Or behind, I should say.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
Yes, it's a winner.
Nice.
Oh, you got it?
That was it. Heck yeah.
All right.
There you go. That is a deal.
Wow.
Awesome, man. Thank
Another
you.
whale. We can do with all these
Well,
things.
Nice.
Yeah.
Eventually.
We're doing another one.
Ready? This is it. Right there. And right about there.
This is amazing.
That's it.
Come on.
Come on, man. Get it.
And come on.
It's gonna do it. Yeah. Got the adventure time. Heck yeah. That was an amazing. That was amazing.
This is the funniest thing I ever seen.
This is amazing.
Oh my God.
More adventure time. Out of the one machine.
Oh,
Heck yeah.
God.
All right, guys.
Oh, hi.
That's. I don't think it
Man,
fits.
we'll come back.
We'll come back to it.
That's
It
great.
looked,
Yeah,
it looked a little high.
They switched them around, guys, so it's hard to. This one isn't easy now. I don't know which one they switched it to, though. That's crazy.
A few moments later.
We'll get another adventure time.
Are you kidding me, man?
Right there. Yeah, that looks good. Oh my, it dug in there. That deep.
Yeah.
Yep, got it.
That's it.
Yeah! It just
Took a couple
yanks the
tries,
whole-
but you got it.
Yanks the
There
block.
we
Oh,
go.
God.
That was perfect.
That's amazing.
All right, what else?
You're gonna run out of those things.
Dear God. Yeah, they only have a few left.
Look at how
Look at
much.
the back.
Look at this. Oh,
Look at the
So
freaking
much
back.
stuff.
There's so much. They're gigantic too.
It's like Christmas time in January.
Alrighty, guys, we'll finish up the video on the mushroom guys from Super Mario. We got about 20 plays left. Alright, finish it off here.
Try to grab a few of these little guys.
Cool. Look at that. Get it? Stay.
no way.
Oh.
You can do it. I think you're not gonna
I
make it.
ain't do it though.
God.
It drops and it's rigged, but I think I can do it though.
Heck yeah. Oh,
God, look at the fidget spinner.
Wow.
It's got grips.
No way.
I'll try it. I'll try it one
yeah,
time.
it's still paid out. It'll still have to pay out though.
Yeah, it does.
It'll drop them. You watch it, lift it and
my
drop
God.
it.
No way.
Got it.
Oh wow, surprise.
That's the deal.
That's amazing.
Unless that was the payout.
That's a deal.
Unless it might have been payout.
Yeah, but
Yeah, find out real quick.
Oh,
Are you
got it.
serious?
Oh wow.
Two in a row.
Wow.
Fidget spinners you can get for 40.
Nice.
Yeah, exactly.
Is that what they're for sale for now?
Pretty much.
We're giving them away then.
Yeah, I got it. That's what.
Oh.
Jinxed it. What about I think it's the orange one. Yeah, an orange Pac-Man. Heck yeah.
There you go. Got them.
Try to get one more. Yeah, 26 left.
Did you get one?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
one.
wow.
He was amazing.
How many you got left?
26 points. So about a few tries.
13 tries, isn't it?
Something like that, yeah. Miss Pac-Man, no way. Yeah.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
you got it. You got it.
Pac-Man, heck yeah.
Good job.
That was a swell win.
Heck yeah.
That was very
Awesome.
swell. All right, what about Red Ghost? Oh, maybe. Stay.
Wow,
Yes.
you got it.
Oh wow.
Red Ghost. 3 in a row.
That's
Holy cow.
amazing.
Yeah, brother.
All right, 14. Let's try the blue
Right.
Ghost. I missed it.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's a blue Pac-Man.
Wow.
Alright guys, we just left the amazing Round 1 arcade. It was absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
We got this gigantic bag of product.
That's amazing.
So happy about this. This arcade is amazing. If you want to visit, it's in Auburn Hills, Michigan, Waterford area. So come check it out. It's a great arcade. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you dislike, leave a dislike. If you really enjoyed, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Yeah.